Naging mayor kayo, 3 term. Tapos naging congressman kayo, 1 term lang. Magkano kita mo sa wedding? Mas marami rin na nagpapadala. Ng mga regalo, ng mga fillers. Yun nga ang problema. Talagang mahina ang dating. Ganda rin itong bago mo. Kalambig mo naman. Galing mo.
Congratulations to KFC Show for making it as a finalist in the non-fiction category of the prestigious Prejudice International Festival in Munich, Germany. Out of a record number of entries to the competition, KNC was among the selected few to qualify for the next round, going up against entries from different nations. KNC is the only biblical-based kiddie show on TV in the country today. Airing from Mondays to Fridays at 4 to 4:30 p.m. Good job, KNC team, and to God be the glory. Noon akala nila hanggang pangarap lang ang lahat. Sa awa at tulong ng Panginoon, ang pangarap ay natupad. Iba't iba man ang kinakaharap ninyong pagsubok sa buhay, lagi kaming nakahandang tumulong upang ang inyong pangarap ay maging katotohanan.